We now this is the continuation of my vlog. We are now at the port of Babak, in Samal. Huh? Yes, because we are trying to wait for the bus, but somehow it is the bus has not come because it takes at least 30 minutes thereafter to come. So we are trying to ride in so wait, but it is very far.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
So we are now inside the port. So andito na po kami. Instead of bus. Yeah. So sasakay daw kami ng lancha. Ayan. Kasi walang bus. So yan daw ang sasakyan namin. Ayan.
Dito kayo kasi para mapicturean ko kayo dito. Sa may lang siya. Then, di upo kayo dyan, no?
Diyan na lang. Ay, sa likod mo. Sige, okay na. Pwede na.
Takbo.
Yeah.
Ako, babe. Dito.
Ayan na po kami. Yan. Puting bato ang aming sasakyan. Ano to pamuntang Maynila to?
Salang.
Beng, katan mo kami nga. Kaya magtutok din nila.
Ako, bago ko pupunta ng downtown, yan lang.
So that is, folks, we are now outside the parameters of Samal. We are about to ride in a jeep to Davao City, going home after our adventure in Samal. Thank you very much for watching my video. This is Nojmas. Peace and love. Maraming salamat. And face out. Bye.